As a teenager, I was living in Switzerland with my family, and I started to notice that I was particularly tired. I had recurrent infections and even episodes of fainting. It was a bit like my body was really failing me. I had all sorts of tests and they started medication, but nothing really worked. So my family doctor advised me to see a sophrologist who simply showed me some very easy exercise and said, please do practice this exercise once a day until next week and we'll meet again. Very quickly, I felt my energy raising, my infection started to clear, and after 5 weeks, I was completely transformed. After 10 years of practicing as an osteopath, I realized how useful sophrology had been for me and my client, and I decided to devote all my time to helping people with sophrology. I was really lucky that I trained with the founder of Sophrology, Professor Alfonso Caicedo in Spain. So I got to really understand the concept behind this mix of science and Eastern practices that is so unique to the method. When I arrived in London 9 years ago, I realized nobody knew about sophrology, and that really shocked me because in continental Europe, sophrology is such a popular and well-established method. That really triggered a new challenge for me to contribute to spreading sophrology in English language. All my energy and vision is about seeing sophrology growing here and internationally. Events like this allow me to spread the benefits of sophrology, guide people through a practice, and make sure people are supported to overcome stress, to manage their sleep, and to perhaps overcome anxiety and transform their life. Knowing that more people can practice sophrology and transform their life is really a dream come true. Sophrology is still helping me on a daily basis, now being a mom, having my own business and being an author. Every day I need something to support me through being the best version of myself.